Hello, you are welcome to my channel Smart Idea TV, where we talk about how to make money the smart way without going through the difficult way. And today we are going to be looking at a very important topic in the information marketing and talking about how to make money from your info product even if you don't know how to write or how to type or how to market. We are going to look at a smart way to make money from your info product. But before I go on, if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing now. Hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that when next I drop videos, and by the way, I drop videos, money making videos every day, so you'll be the first to be notified. So let's get into it. How do you make money from info product even if you don't know how to write, how to type, or how to do marketing? And the first thing you are going to need is, one, you are going to discover a problem in a particular niche. There are so many niches. I've done a video talking about niches that you can make money from. You can check my channel and you see this particular video I was talking about. If you want to make money from info products, even if you don't know anything about writing or typing or marketing, all you need to do, the first thing you need to do is you must discover a problem. Discover a problem in a niche. For instance, in the health niche, a lot of people have problems in that particular niche. Let's give for example diabetes. Just discover a problem. Once you discover this problem in this particular niche, do your research to find out whether a lot of people really need solutions to this problem. And once you've done that, your job is half done. Immediately you've done that, go straight to a website called Fiverr.com, and Fiverr is spelled Fiverr.com. Go to Fiverr, sign up as a buyer. Once you sign up as a buyer, look for somebody that can write. Once you get somebody that can write, just for $5, between $5 and $10, they can write. Just give them your script that you have, your idea, the problem that you discovered, and the little research you've done. Tell them this is what I want, and they will do it for you for $5. And the good thing about Fiverr is that if you are not satisfied with the work, the person can still revise. He can revise 5-10 times for you before you are satisfied. Just get the work. Once you get the work, then you've done the second part. And by the way, Fiverr is a freelance site where they work for you, and the work they do for you is your own and your own. Nobody will take it from you. Immediately you get it from there, just go to another website called amazing.com. Amazing.com has a program called Amazing KDP. This Amazing KDP, just submit the work they've done for you from Fiverr, submit it to Amazing, and Amazing will upload it, and they will start paying you. Anybody that downloads or that reads that your work, you will be paid, and upon that you still be paid royalty, and you can be doing it. Once you do this and you make some tangible result, then you can scale up. You can still be doing every month, at least you submit this kind of work. With little amount, you can be getting a lot of money from information marketing. If you have not subscribed, consider subscribing now. Hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that when next I drop videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Before I come your way again, remain financially smart.